Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 2nd, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, depending on the weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48 here. As you can see here, we got a little storm system here across southeast Canada, bringing some precipitation to a portion of Maine, back in the portion of New York State, also into Pennsylvania. Got another system here, bringing some precipitation up here across Minnesota, back into Wisconsin, Illinois, now in a portion of Kentucky, Tennessee, and also portions of Arkansas, and then more activity from portions of Nebraska, Kansas, all the way back over to Montana, Washington, Oregon State, Northern California. As this system, northern jet continues to just feed a lot of moisture, and we call it the atmospheric river, will continue to pound in northwestern United States and then cross the country, kind of along the jet stream here, which we call it. Pretty much the jet run from here down like this here, and then out into the northern tropical Atlantic. As you can see, we got some activity down in the Caribbean Sea, also across South America, Central America as well, and also into the Gulf of Mexico. And also we got more activity out here in portions of the Eastern Pacific at this time. So, alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alrighty, you can see we got some snow up here in portions of Vermont, down in New York State, Pennsylvania, to New Jersey, to Maryland, to Washington, to West Virginia, to portions of Tennessee, Kentucky, back up into Michigan, northern Michigan, around Lake Huron and Lake Superior. And then we got mixed precipitation from Delaware to DC to portions of Virginia, western North Carolina. Got a pocket of heavy snow in western portion of Virginia and even Pennsylvania region, and also a little bit in the portion of New York State. Got a little bit of shower activity across South Texas, and also we got some snow flying over here through the Dakotas, back into Montana, also portion of Nebraska and Wyoming. And then we got mixed precipitation over here in portion of Wyoming to Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, Nevada, California. Pockets of heavy snow over northern California, Montana. Freezing rain possible in portions of Idaho, Montana, Washington, Oregon State as well. Rain showers along coastal areas of California, Washington, and Oregon states. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday, January the 3rd. Excuse me. Alright, here's a look at your Saturday forecast. As you can see, we got snow flying from New York State over the portion of Pennsylvania, portion of Ohio. Got a little pocket of heavy snow over New York State as well. A little bit up here in northern Michigan, around Lake Huron and Lake Superior. And then we got more snow over here in portion of Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, back in through the Dakotas, Montana, Nebraska, portion of Kansas, Colorado. Pocket of heavy snow over here in portions of Iowa, Missouri, portion of Kansas, also Nebraska. Freezing rain is possible in this region from Kansas to Missouri to Kentucky to Tennessee to portion of northern Arkansas. Then we got more shower activity and thunderstorms also from Mississippi, Alabama region to Arkansas to Oklahoma, northeast Texas, then across southeast Louisiana, southern Mississippi, South Alabama, western panhandle of Florida, and portions of the Gulf of Mexico. And then we got mixed precipitation up here from Colorado to Wyoming, Utah, Idaho, portion of Montana, Washington, Oregon State, portion of California. Got shower along coastal Washington, Oregon State region. Snow flying up here, like I said, in portion of Montana, all the way back to Indiana to Nebraska, Kansas. Pockets of heavy snow up here in portion of Montana. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday, January 4th. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warn advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, we got winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, winter storm watches from Montana to Idaho to Washington, Oregon State, California region. Wind advisories over here in portions of Nevada and California. Air quality alert for Southern California, also southern portions of Arizona. Special weather statement for New Mexico. Also, we have some avalanche watches in effect for portions of Colorado and Wyoming. Cold weather advisories in the lighter blue up here in portions of northeastern areas of Montana, North Dakota. Hydro issues there as well. Winter weather advisory portions of Kansas, and then we got winter storm watches from Nebraska, Kansas to Missouri to Illinois to Indiana, also in the portion of Kentucky. River flood warning still continue for Arkansas to Mississippi, portion of Louisiana, East Texas. Frost advisory, freeze warning from North Florida and southern Georgia. Then we got winter weather advisory, winter storm warning from Indiana to Ohio, also portions of West Virginia, a portion of Pennsylvania, also northeast Ohio, and then we got a few pockets up here in portion of Vermont, New Hampshire region, wind advisory in portion of Maine, back in the portions of New York State, also portions of Connecticut, and also into Rhode Island area as well. Winter weather advisory stretching all the way toward New Jersey, Delaware vicinity also. Alrighty, now we got small craft advisory, gale warnings in effect from Washington State to Central California, then again from portions of North Florida all the way to Maine. Also the Hawaiian Chain Islands, Central North, you got a high surf warnings there. Central South, just gale warnings along the small craft advisory around the coastal areas. Around the Alaska area, small craft advisory, gale warnings, freeze and spray warning, and some cold weather advisory for southeastern Alaska. Alright, Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is day number 4. They have not did day 5 yet, but they said it could be some severe weather further east. Right now, here's the slight risk of severe weather from Lupkin to Alexander, Shreveport, Jackson, Mississippi, Greenville, Mississippi, Memphis, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas. Can't get it out there. But here is the day 4 outlook for slight risk. A marginal risk will outline the slight risk area in day 3. Alright, here's the snow probability for heavy snow possible. This is only a slight risk. This is for just through January the 10th from portions of Arkansas, Louisiana to the Carolinas and portions of Virginia. And then again from West Virginia all the way up into New York State. This from 110 to 114. Same over here in portions of Michigan region. And then again from North and South Dakota to portions of Kansas, Nebraska region, all the way over to Montana, including Wyoming and Colorado. This also includes 110 to 114 as well. Alrighty, like I say, this is just only a slight risk for pretty much this area here for possible heavy snow. Nothing written in stone yet. So we'll continue to monitor it and see if it comes true. Right now, most of the models is kind of backed off of having any kind of winter storm coming up later in the forecast period next week. Right now, just only pretty much just the GFS. The other models are kind of backing off, so we'll have to see if the GFS gets on board with the rest of them. I believe it will. I don't think it's going to be too much of a snow potential, but you never can tell. We'll have to just monitor it and see. Right now, it just looks like there's a possibility. It's only like 20 to 40% in these areas here across the nation. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.